Are you unhappy with the long hours and low pay from your job? Here's how I got an extra $187,740 in 9 months and quit my job in 15 days. Look, here's proof. Let me ask you a question. Are you sick of working hard to build someone else's dreams? Long hours, no freedom, no escape, and no appreciation. It doesn't matter if you work 40 or 80 hours a week. Ask anyone and they'll tell you a paycheck doesn't go as far as it once did. And if you're an employee, you're likely feeling the squeeze, and you're not alone. In fact, only 15% of people like their job, and this 15% figure isn't something we made up. It isn't even my own research. This is straight from the source. That's right. According to Gallup's own data, on average only 15% of employees are engaged worldwide. So let's say you grind to make 6 figures at your job. That effort is largely wasted because, again, 85% of people around you don't care about their job or you. Plus, inflation eats away at your money, and they can lay you off at any time, which will make your income a big, round, ugly number. Now, do you see why paychecks aren't going as far as they once did? You didn't do anything wrong. The government needs to make the cash register ring with your tax money. And one of the ways they're going to do it is by making you work hard so they can take money out of your check. Enter your 9 to 5. So how do you get out of the rat race? Is there a system or hack that'll help you get the income you deserve? There is, and that's exactly what this video is all about. Let me introduce the Online Business Builder Challenge, a 15-day business training that'll transform your success from this into this, and your sales from this into this. You can do it. All you need is the Online Business Builder Challenge. After wasting 6 years and 6 figures trying to get financial freedom, I knew I had to come up with a solution. That's when I met my friend Dave, or as I call him, the $250 million man, and I got to work learning from him. In addition to doing hundreds of hours of trial and error, Dave came up with the ideal formula for beginners to build a cash-flowing online business. When he finished, he was left with a simple, easy-to-follow 15-day business system that incorporated all the best practices. Here's a sample of what's covered in the system. In the past, the system was mine alone, but now it's available for you. This business challenge alone is worth $997 and also comes with over $2,579 in free bonuses, a total value of $3,576. But you get everything for $7. Yep, just $7. Just click the Learn More button below and you'll be building a cash-flowing, paycheck-replacing business in a matter of minutes.